This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to KKR Coders JavaScript tutorials. My name is Coach Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about while loop in JavaScript. Okay, first one is while loop. In JavaScript supports different types of loops. One simple loop is while loop, and another loop is a do while loop. Another loop is a do while loop. JavaScript supports one more loop, do while loop, and one more loop, for loop, for loop, for loop, and in another form is for loop using in keyword. For loop is using in keyword. There are the different forms of for loop. Two types of for loop. One for loop is only simple for loop. One for loop is using keyword, using in keyword. Another one is a do while. Another one is while loop. Here we will discuss only while loop. So what is while loop? While loop, while loop, while loop is an entry control loop. Entry control loop because the entry, the starting while loop is an entry control statement. Entry control statement in JavaScript. That's the first one. The second point is it is the it is the it is the most basic loop. Basic loop is very important. Basic loop in JavaScript. And the third one is how to execute this loop. It executes. It executes. It's execute a single statement. It execute a single statement or group of statements repeatedly. To execute a single statement or group of statements repeatedly as long as the expression or condition, either expression or condition returns either expression or condition returns true. A single statement or group of statements executed repeatedly as long as condition returns true. Once the condition or expression returns false, the loop exit or the loop terminates. This is the basic formula, basic reduction of the while loop. While is an entry control loop. That is means to check the condition starting of the loop. It is the basic loop in JavaScript. It executes a single statement, not only group of statement. Execute a single statement or group of statements repeatedly as long as the condition returns true. Once the condition returns false, the loop terminates out of the loop. What is the syntax of this loop? What is the syntax of this loop? The fifth point is the syntax of while loop, while JavaScript. The syntax of while loop in JavaScript. In JavaScript, the syntax while with parenthesis start condition to check the condition and the beginning of the while loop, and we are using the beginning of the while loop and end of the while loop. In the beginning curly braces and the curly braces, the statement 1, and we are using statement 2 and so on, statement 3 and so on up to statement n statement. Here in this syntax, that's the given syntax. The given syntax is here. What is while? Here, the first one is while is a keyword. While is a keyword in JavaScript. That is the first point. And the second one, condition. Check the condition. It returns two values only. One value is true, another value is false. It returns only true or false. And statement 1 and statement 1, statement 2, and so on. Statement n are called body of the loop. Clear up to here, guys? Okay. The while basic syntax. While condition. It returns either true value or false. These 1 to n statements are called the body of the loop. If the given condition returns true, then execute the body of the loop. This process is repeated up to returns up to the given condition. Now, what is the flow chart? Now, the flow chart of the flow chart diagram of the while loop. diagram of the while loop. Flowchart diagram of the while loop or while statement, anyone. What is the flowchart diagram? Flowchart diagram. For example, we are using flowchart diagram. Now, this is the start. This is a starting point. Start. And next one, okay, check the condition. And next one, check the condition. This is condition. This is condition. It returns true. Returns true. This condition returns true. Body of the loop. Body of the loop executed. Body of the loop is executed. Again, go to back. Check the condition. If this condition returns true, once again the body of the loop is executed. Again, go to back. This condition returns true. Execute the body of the loop. And any one time after executing these statements, a particular time the loop, this condition returns false. This condition returns false. That is to stop the iteration. To stop the loop. That is the while loop syntax and flowchart diagram. Clear, guys, up to here? Now go to executing a program in simple example. We are discussing a simple example program. How to create, for example, to write a program 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers in JavaScript. 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. 1 to 10 numbers. To print the 1 to 10 numbers. For example, head out HTML begin brackets. Okay, here it's the header part. Okay, now this is a script one. Now this is the end of the script. Okay, clear? Now we are I'm using some variables. I value equal to what? While to print the 1 to 10 numbers. I is less than or equal to 10. The condition, this is a condition checking, and the beginning of the while loop and the end of the while loop. Begin and end is compulsory. Here, document dot write of I to the value of the I. Now here I equal to I plus 1. This is a while loop. First initialize the I value and print the value of the I on the screen. And next time I equal to I plus 1 and followed by the semicolon and the begin and end of the while loop and end of the header tag and end of the header tag and end of the HTML tag. Clear, guys, up to here? So this is the basic syntax what to print numbers 1 to 10 numbers. To print the 1 to 10 numbers. HTML begin tag, header tag. Header tag is ending, HTML tag is ending. The code written in the between the script and end script tag. Initially I value equal to increment the value, I value equal to 1. Every time is increased by 1 value. Test the condition 1 less than or equal to 2. This condition is true. Now we print the values. Now clear and run the code. To print the values 1 to 10 number on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to 10 number. If you want to print the numbers in one after the another one, for example, using the break statement, using the BR tag, to print the values 1 to 10 numbers one by one. Print the values in 1 to 10 numbers one by one after the other. Clear, guys? And the next, if you want to print some text, I value equal to plus I value equal to first time 1. To print the argument dot write of condition using while loop print 1 to 10. Using while loop print 1 to 10. Using while loop print 1 to 10 plus 1 break the loop, break the statement. Now we are using the break tag BR and after clear. Using while loop to print the 1 to 10 numbers and every time the value of I is okay. I value equal to using this is printed in the loop also, but this statement is written in outside the loop. The statement is written in outside the while loop, not inside the while loop. Now execute this program. Now using while loop to print 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, clear up to here, all of you. Now next one. For example, if you want to print even numbers, between 1 to 10, between 1 to 10, even numbers between 1 to 10 values. Okay, now here every time is increasing by starting value I value is 2, 1 to 10 between the starting value I value equal to, and every time is increasing by the 2 values, even numbers between 1 to 10. Now I execute the program. Now I value is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Even numbers between 1 to 10. If you want to print the odd numbers only 1 to 10, the another way. Now to clear, for example, here the I is a control variable. I value is increased by every time 1. Okay. If this statement is omitted, then what happens? And what if this statement is not written, then what happens? Here the loop is executed infinite number of times. Infinite number of times. Please observe this. The statement is executed, HTML program is executed infinite number of times. So now it displays a error message. So if you want to execute a particular condition, I equal to I plus 2 or I equal to I plus n, or print any value, I equal to I plus 5, or I equal to, for example, if you want to print the odd numbers. Now here the I value starting value is 1 less than or equal to the condition returns true. Every time I value is increased by 1 to print the numbers in between the only odd numbers between 1 to 10 numbers. These are the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What happens? First execute the I value equal to 1, print the output message, check the condition. If this condition returns true, then execute the body of the loop. Again, the control goes to back, check the condition again. If it is true, execute the body of the loop. This process is repeated up to the condition returns true. If the condition returns false, then the control immediately transferred after the while. Okay, guys, up here, clear all of you while loop. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.